This is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. We've got a pretty good week for the cattle futures and cash. Hey, we're sounding all right there too. And I think it's a little bit of a surprise. I don't know that we came in expecting to have as good a week as we're having right now. We're really putting some good prices back in. We're seeing some feeders over 240 again, upper 180s or upper 170s, so almost to 180 on these front months. And after we thought the rug was getting jerked, I think it was a Wednesday this week. They had a stock market down 900 points on the Dow Jones, and cattle down as well, only to come back and close higher on that Dow Jones that day. So we're seeing some wild outside action, and that is kind of how the cattle are trading. They were able to put it back on and climb back. Prices subverted for that day, I guess. So cash prices, when the market was lower, the southern bids were 178, then up to 180, and then 181. So we did get a little boost in the southern cash. Northern cash seems to be a little bit on the quieter side here yet for me. We're waiting to hear some prices, but I think the north, the negotiators, they're pretty current. They're not the problem with these large weights that we're seeing. It's more of those formula yards that. How about formula yards that the South carries most of their cattle that way. The packer has leverage over them and can use them to put more weight on the market. So I guess that's just what we've been dealt, that most people are choosing to market their cattle that way, and it gives the packer leverage. So it does. That's it in a nutshell. So hopefully we'll get some northern cash. We're going to try to stay strong. I would guess there's going to be some 184 asking prices yet to be seen. We'll see if Friday can carry through on the board. Hopefully not seeing a big negative that would make guys start to sell a little bit early. But we've just kind of feel like these tighter numbers have just kind of carried through. We've never been out of line. It does seem like packers are looking for cattle. They need to fill spots. They're shipping some cattle some long distances again. So, that's back to the whole reason we're at high levels. So after the larger break we've had, really putting some nice gains back in, and we're on the tiptoe of kind of breaking back out to the upside on some of these charts. So hopefully we can get that little boost there. Questions, call us Varilek Trading in Sioux Center. The risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.